Good morning. This is a day in our life as a medical student in international summer program at Seoul National University. Starting off with going to the campus by bus from our place, which takes around 10 to 20 minutes, and walking to the building. The campus itself is located in Gwanak, one of 5 campuses in Seoul National University, and also one of the biggest. And then we have our lecture session with Professor Sokho Lee from Texas A&M University. Today we're discussing about muscle exercise, better way to lose fat through exercise, and metabolism. Next, we have lab fitness session where Professor Sokho Lee and our teaching assistant Erison Sangnim are explaining about the lab and all the procedures of the test that we are going to take, and we are divided to 2 groups to make it more efficient. The first one is hand grip strength test using hand grip dynamometer. The test itself is done using both hands, as you can see, by taking turns between right hand and left hand and finding the average of both hands as the result. The next is blood pressure test using a machine where you just put your elbow until the lights turn blue and touch the button to start measuring your blood pressure. The next one is in-body test using in-body machine. The machine itself shows your body weight, including fat, protein, water, and mineral weight. It also shows you your muscle and fat mass analysis, either your visceral or subcutaneous fat. It uses a painless, non-invasive electrical current that travels through the body. Therefore, you can use any jewelry during the test. And then we find our height using a machine to use it on the in-body machine. The next one is spinal test where you stand in front of the machine and the camera takes a picture of your front and side of body, and then it can shows you whether your spine is in normal condition or abnormal, such as kyphosis, lordosis, and scoliosis. The next one is VO2 max test using Bruce protocol. The test itself actually uses a treadmill, but unfortunately the treadmill in the lab is broken down, so the test is using the cycle machine. The test provides data on how much oxygen you use as you exercise and determines the maximal oxygen that you consume during the exercise. And the last one is isokinetic muscle test using isokinetic dynamometer. And before we go home, we always go to the library in Seoul National University to review all of our materials that we learned beforehand and study for the next exam.